Hey guys, how you doing? So we just won the last trade, the last two trades actually. So we're at 17 wins and 2 losses. They both hit the take profits, and good to be back. So I had a few errands to run, but I'm back on the charts now. And this trade here that I put on looks like it's going to have a retracement back, and our last high was here. So if the retracement comes back, I would imagine it's going to come roughly to this area and then bounce back for another buy. So it might probably be a good idea for me to adjust my stop loss underneath this high here, the last high, in order for it to get the bounce back up, and I can scale in if I need to, not scaling like a layer in over here. But we've been doing fantastic. So yesterday and today so far we've had 17 wins and 2 losses, which I know that a lot of you are very happy about. So I'm really hoping for this to continue to go up a little bit, at least to up to around about here. If it takes take one profit, then I'll be a happy man. I would then bring my stop loss to break even, and we win the trade. But I am anticipating this coming down. I thought it would come up higher first. I was hoping it would come up to at least here, come down for a bounce off because right now the last high is here. This is the high we're on now, so I'm hoping it will break above this high, come down to the high, and continue this beautiful formation. Right now we're on the 5 minute chart. You know what we need to check is news. Do we have some news coming in today? Ooh, 1:30. We've got a lot of high impact news. A lot of high impact news today. As you can see from here, actually you can't see on your screen. Hopefully we need a push to the upside here. I don't really want to be into drawdown. Could be a possible change of direction. Let's hopefully we need a push to the upside here. I don't really want to be into drawdown. Could be a possible change of direction. Let's hopefully we need a push to the upside here. I don't really want to be into drawdown. Well, let's hope this continues to move upwards. Could be a possible change of direction. Let's hopefully we need a push to the upside here. I don't really want to be into drawdown. Well, let's hope this continues to move upwards. Could be a back into drawdown. I hate this. We just did that a minute ago. The stop loss needs to go further down because this is the last high. Let's push this up. I thought this would have gone higher than this. It just barely made it on this wick above the last high. Just barely. Because otherwise that would have been a change in direction to the downside. But the wick just about got above. So 1:30 we have to be very, very careful because we've got news coming at 1:30. If you do have a trade on during the news, make sure you've got a very, very tight stop loss. If that does come down to this level here, I will once again place another buy trade to try and even this out. We'll be alright, guys. So we're hoping for this to become bullish one more time. Be nice to get some more wins under the belt. So just sitting here waiting. Vath, how you doing, buddy? You're back. Good to see you too. So sorry I was gone for a little while, but I'm back now analysing the chart. I did put that trade on thinking that it would go higher than the last high. So let's hope this is a change also in direction for the gold to go above my point of entry. It'll be fine. But we won already 6 trades today. 6 trades today we already won. So no losses so far, which is brilliant. The last trade was quite scary. It was in proper drawdown, but then the bulls came into it and pushed us right back into profit, which was a lovely bit. Very, very nice. So they all closed down into profit. Now we're in the next trade over here, hoping to get above this last high. I did think it was going to go, but it's okay. We're in a bit of drawdown right now. Like I said, I think we'll draw down to the previous height, is what I said. It's the previous height. It's the demand zone. So this area here would be a demand zone. Or supply, however you want to say it. I'd say supply probably. Supply zone. And I'm hoping that respects that line there with using this as the supply zone to bounce this back up. That is what I'm hoping. Time will tell. Time will tell. It's not a huge supply zone, as you see. It only went up, what, 30 pips, 40 pips? So with a bit of luck, this has come down. It's got a bit more liquidity, and then we can push back up to the upside. Be nice to get another win in, wouldn't it? So are you in a trade right now? Vath, are you in a trade? We're waiting to see what's going to happen. Hopefully, this will push this back up. Time will tell, right? Come on, baby. Respect this supply zone. Let's bounce right up. This is what I'm waiting for. This is, whoa. This is a dangerous, dangerous trade. If it hits the stop loss, I can live with it, man. Especially with the amount of wins we've had in the last 2 days. The wins are pretty cool. I mean, 17 wins, jeez. That's just not normal, right? And it's only Tuesday. So if we have stop loss, this will be a loss. And then I need to just sit and look at the charts and wait for the bounce back. I won't adjust my stop loss any more than this, though. We will just wait to see. Hey, you can't win every single trade. And if we do lose a trade, then we lose a trade. I'm not that bothered. We're so far up this week, it's just silly. I had 6 times my account yesterday. And today we've already won 6 trades. So, yeah, it's nuts. Yeah, 1:30. We've got some serious news coming at 1:30. So if you are in a trade, make sure that your stop loss it is minimal. Do not have a big stop loss. Reduce that stop loss as much as you possibly can. If you're in a trade in profit, I would suggest closing it. If it's in profit, close your trade, because there's a lot of news at 1:30. But make sure that you definitely protect your capital, because this can take anybody out. You know how the news is. It can skyrocket to the moon, or it can just wipe your account out, which is done many times for me. So just wait and see. I mean, right now I'm in drawdown, so it doesn't make a difference to me. If I was in profit, my stop loss would be at break even, or it would be very, very tight. To be honest with you, I quite like the news. The news is fun to work with. You can never predict what's going to happen. Sometimes you could be in a really nice buy trade, all of a sudden it tanks so far down, hits your stop loss, and it pisses you off because you was in profit. Other times you could be in a trade and forget about the news. It can go skyrocketing up, and you win several thousand quid. So it's just so unpredictable. As you can see, it's bouncing off this supply zone here. Like I said, it's not a strong supply zone, so I can see it getting straight through this and hitting my stop loss very, very easily. That's what we've got to work with right now. As gold is just previous highs, so it's really hard to judge right now. Ah, 15 minutes into the news, I'm really hoping for some kind of retracement to the upside. That's our stop loss. Okay, so we are now. I will change this because that was a loss, unfortunately. So 3 loses. I was due for a loss though, wasn't I? I mean, I had to have one. So now what I want to do is I love playing the news. Right now we're on a downtrend. What is the news going to happen today? Let's just see. So we do have medium trend, core retail sales. Wow. Yeah, that's some serious stuff. Wow. Yeah, that could be kind of scary, the news there. I'm not in a trade right now, so it's quite safe. But I am looking to get into a trade. I'm always looking for a trade. And I don't know what this news is going to do. The smart play is not to play the news. But I'm risky. I like taking risks. It's fun. It's real fun. So we're going to see what happens in the next 11 minutes, just before the news. And if I feel that this is on, this is changes direction. I will be putting a buy on here. So just sit tight. Sit tight. Let's look for a change in direction. So we're just waiting to see. I mean, we've got 6 minutes until the news. I'm currently not in a trade because nothing's telling me to get into a trade yet. But what we can do is we can have a little look at some of the majors. Let's have a look at the Euro USD. Okay, this is still bullish. It was bullish yesterday and we won a beautiful trade on there yesterday. I think we won one of these big trends yesterday. So Euro USD right now we're at, okay, we broke structure. So we became bullish. If this breaks the structure here, then it becomes bearish. That's quite a risky trade right there. It's quite a risky trade. Let's have a look at GBP USD. That's more like, that's quite a nice little trade there. Let's have a look at the hour for the direction. Yeah, we are bullish obviously on this one. And it's not really respecting the 20 EMA too much. Looks like we're going off supply and demand on this one. USD JPY. Okay, that's on the hourly chart, so that's bearish. Coming down to the 5, and let's see what's happening here. Okay, wouldn't be interested in that trade. Doesn't do anything for me. Looks like we're in a bit of a zone here. So we've got the top of the zone, the bottom of the zone. We're bang in the middle, so it's not a discount. You get no discount on this. If you was to trade right now, you want to wait till it gets to the bottom, bounces back, and then comes bullish, or vice versa. But I won't be taking a trade in the middle of the zone right now. It's not a discounted rate. So let's get back to gold and see what they're doing. We can get rid of these. The last trade, unfortunately, was a losing trade. But we just still have 17 wins and 3 losses just from yesterday. And that's all live on stream. Oh, I've taken off the highs and lows of the day. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Let me just get that back. So where was that candle? This was the candle, the high and low of the day. That's the high and the low. So as you can see, we've just come back into that area. And for me, this would be quite a nice buy. But we have 2 minutes until the news. So it's either you put a trade on here and play the news, or you sit tight and see what happens and keep your money. I love playing the news, but generally when I'm actually in a trade, because then I'll just narrow my stop loss down to basically nothing and just hope it goes up. No one's going to know. You know, Trump can pick his nose and sometimes the damn thing goes up. So right now it's still very bearish. There's no wicks at the top whatsoever. And let's just see how this news is going to impact. Because if this plummets down, I might take a quick trade on. to wait and see. So news is coming in now. It's nearly a break of structure here. So this could potentially become a bearish if this breaks the structure. So it's coming up to 130 now. And I have placed my stop loss here. So I've played the news on a sell. This may come back and bite me in the ass, but my stop loss is extremely tight. But the spread didn't kick in really. The spread was big on that. So it didn't take me into that trade. Come on, let's do the sell. This is a quick news one. Had a feeling it would sell. It's not so big impact. Come on, let's sell this down. Let's sell this down. Come on. This was obviously a risky trade, but I looked at the news thinking it would be a sell, but it's actually not impacting it very much. There's a lot of news at 130. This could stop me out at any time, and my stop loss is super tight. So hopefully this is going to plummet down. Come on, tank it down. Let's see some good sellers. Obviously the news is going on. There's a lot of it right now. So let's just keep our eyes peeled on this trade. It could go either way, guys. Tell me below if anybody's in a trade, a sell or a buy. I'm interested. Guys, let me see some action. Like I said, if this plummets down, ooh dear, I don't like that reaction. Come on, keep selling. Don't just stay there. Let's see some massive moves. Come on. Let's see some big moves. Come on, Trump, say something to make everything plummet down. We actually do need to go down a bit on gold. It's such an all-time high. It keeps breaking new records every day. Don't buy. Come on, sell it down. Sell it down. You're in a sell, are you? It's a risky sell, right? Come on, baby. Let's say some news that's going to make this sell. Waiting, right? Seeing what's going to happen. Come on, baby, let's go. I thought we could, don't go up. I thought it was going to be massive impact news to go down. But it's not. It's already 4 minutes into it. Hey, Black Sky. Oh, this isn't looking good for us. This might take me out now. This was one hell of a risky trade. But I should be at the top of my thingy there, shouldn't I, really? Come on, get out of the way. Come on, sell it down. Stop toying with us. I know you do, buddy. You always want a Bitcoin. You're always asking me to go there. Right now, I'm sitting on this. I'm waiting. I'm watching. Is this going to hit my stop loss? Oh, we did not want that reaction. Come on, Trump. Say something to piss people off. Let it go down. Let this go down. Plus, I want to see this break. I want to see the break of structure. That's not good. It's coming up. It's going to hit the stop loss. It's hit the stop loss. Shit. So unfortunately, that was a silly trade. But it could have gone. So 4 losses now. It could have gone either way. It could have gone either way. As we said, this is the high of the day. It has not broken that structure yet. The wick did, but this didn't. So this tells me this is going to be still on an uptrend if this continues to move up. Right. We have a red doji. If that goes green doji, that tells me a change in direction. This could be a change in direction. So VATH, I really hope that you had a very, very tight stop loss like I told you to have on that, as the news did not really impact very much at all. And they're still in the news right now. So to me, this is it's looking quite nice for a buy again, because we are at we're right here. This is our daily high from the 15-minute chart at 8 a.m. It went above there, went above there, went above there. It still has not broken the structure here. So we need to wait and see what this candle does. It's all fun, right? It's still flickering about a lot. You're in what? Are you in a buy or a sell? What you in, buddy? Because the news is still going on, I think. Because I'm not in a trade right now. I'm waiting. Because this could be a break of structure right now. If I'd have my stop loss further up, there's a nice candle there. This would have been a nice sell. I did not want to put my stop loss any further back than I had it, just because of the news. Generally, I'd have put my stop loss all the way up here, generally, but not with high impact news. So today's not that great. We've had 6 wins and 2 losses. Not the best, right? But see if I can recover those 2 losses. Ooh, if you're in that still in that cell, you're doing okay. Did you put the cell on when I put the cell on? You were scared, you closed. Oh no. You closed it. Go with your instincts. Put the stop loss and leave the stop loss, buddy. Look what happened now. You'd have been in that cell. You'd have been counting your pennies. But you know what? There's always another trade. Don't worry about it. You should always follow your gut. Never close. Let your stop loss close it, or your take profit close it. You know, trust your strategy and trust your instincts. Look at that sell now, though. Whew, that's a nice one. And here, look at this. This is beautiful. This is going to continue down. Yeah, it's broken the structure here as well. We're coming to the low of the day. Wow. That news really did have an impact. So where's the next area? The next level of demand is down here. This is the next level of demand or supply. It's right there. This would be the next level. And then we've got a few under that too. So we have this, then underneath it we've also got, that's a lot more traffic under there too. So if it fails that, so there is a definite potential buy in the making. This supply is there, but it's, we have it here as well, I guess, but that's quite small. That's quite small. I don't know if there's enough traffic in here to push this back up, but we will see. So we have 3 potential areas of supply. So what we need to do is just wait. I mean, a lot of people would say, it's selling, well, let's put a sell on. But I wouldn't do that, because it's just, what it's doing is it's generating now liquidity in order for it to come back up. So if I'm going to go there, it's going to go there, it's going to go there. We need to keep an eye on the price action to see which one it is. So just waiting and having a look, guys. So we'll see which area it's going to respect more. And we'll look for a change of direction. Once there's a confirmation on change of direction, that is when I will enter the trade. But there's not much right now.
today sausage rolls. Callum will enjoy like sausage rolls today. Sorry, tea. Finished?
Yeah.
I need to go to
I know it's hard.
this one. It's already missed.
I'm gonna get these. I want to get some good trades in right now. The market isn't as good as it was yesterday.
No, not every day Sunday.
Huh?
Not every day Sunday.
No, Monday.
I know, not every day Sunday it's the same.
No.
Not every day is gonna be a good day.
No. I haven't entered as many trades today. I'm being cautious. But that's a good thing to do though. And that's what I'm saying. When I'm streaming, I'm actually cautious. I don't just jump in. Because I've got people watching me.
Yeah.
People are relying on me, you know?
See you later, darling.
Have a good day, yeah? Try not to worry.
It's not gonna be a good day. It's been
Oh.
an awful day today.
Well, you got sausages, so.
Not gonna change either.
So what we're looking at. Okay. So it is respecting this supply zone right here. And this is the bottom of the low of the day. The news would have finished by now, so that's not going to impact us. So we can get back to usual trading, normal trading. So I want to see a change of direction first. I want to see this become a doji candle in green, and then followed by more green, and that way I will enter this trade. So this is the high. This is the low. Right, still a bit boring. But I don't want to lose another trade. I've lost 2 trades today, and I've only won 6. So I've won 6 and lost 2 today. So hopefully we can get back to winning some trades. But we are waiting for a potential buy. I just need to see a bit more confirmation. I'd rather be in a trade right now, but it's not giving me that option yet. So I just want to wait to see what's going to happen with the price action here, to see if it gives me the confirmation to get in on a trade. And I don't want to place a trade just yet because the market's it's a little bit up and down, especially with that high impact news we just had. So yeah, I want to wait. Today was not as good as yesterday. Yesterday we had a magnificent day. Not every day can be a killer day though, right? Vath, what are you doing? Are you in a trade right now? Okay, So we got a doji. We got starting off with a green candle here, but it does have a wick on the bottom of it, so that does not give me confirmation yet. Okay. Well, we are starting nicely. As you see, that's why I didn't enter a trade just yet, because it hadn't told me, the market had not given me that go ahead. It's boring waiting, but we got to do it, right? Like I said, that today is not the easiest day to trade. It is not the easiest day to trade by a long stretch. It's challenging even for me, to be honest with you. I don't want to chase trades and just jump straight in, because yeah, I could jump into a buy right now, but it's an up and down. It may go, it may take off, it may not. So right now it's trying to generate some liquidity so it can take off, but I always want to leave the option that it may not. I want to see this is what I'm looking for. I want to see that doji candle, green doji candle. Once that green doji candle comes, we look at the next candle to see, basically to give me that confirmation. But it hasn't given me it just yet. So we've got to wait. Boring times, man, boring times. Oh, come on, gold. Show us some signs, baby. Show us some signs. I mean, we've had how many trades on today? 6. We've had 8 trades on, and we won 6 of them. So it's still a pretty good damn record, right? But we're going to try and win some more. We're going to try and win some more trades. Tell you, the London session today was actually very slow. Yesterday was grease lightning. Today's very, very slow. And we got the New York Open as well coming soon. Generally, it speed things up for about an hour. That's about all it is. And then it becomes very slow and boring, doesn't it? Come on, baby. VAF, you might as well go and make yourself a cup of tea, because I think they'll be consolidating for a little while here, trying to generate some liquidity. talking to each other and saying, right, now let's buy it. Boom. Let's have a look at the other time frames here. Yeah, obviously we're still bullish on an hourly chart. On the 15-minute chart we're bearish. And it's obviously broken structure here. So as it has broken structure, it would then basically go to bounce and then on a downward trend, because this is now bearish market, because there's a break of structure here. So if it's going to bounce, it'll probably go just to here, I'd imagine, and then come back down again. So it's not a big buy. But really, nothing is standing out. Good job, buddy. Have that tea. I'm going to grab a sandwich. I think we're going to have for a little while. So we're still waiting for the market to tell us what to do, because right now it's not telling us anything. There's no trade right now. So Vaf has gone to make himself a cup of tea, and I'm going to have myself a nice big chicken sandwich. Interesting. So just looking at the pairs, see if there's any potential trades, as gold right now is not doing too much. Got a lot of higher highs and higher lows here. This is looking like quite a nice setup for a quick scalp. The Australian dollar. So high highs, high lows. There's no breaking structure. Let's have a look at the 1 hour chart. This, yes, gold is now bearish. It was a change in structure, but we're waiting for the market to tell us what to do. Gold has now changed to bearish, yeah. Overall trend is bullish, but in the 5-minute and the 15-minute chart it's bearish. So we are looking for another trade to enter, potentially. Just a quick scalping trade. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, don't like that. I was looking at this earlier. I was looking at this one earlier for a potential buy. Yep, I'm going in. With a tight stop loss. Actually, that's too tight. That's too tight. It's too tight. I'll put my stop loss there, I believe. Now, we'll see what that's going to go to. This is the, and we're going to target just above the last high, just for a potential quick little scalp. One second. Right, let's have a look at gold. Gold. All right. At 3640. Yeah, I'm scalping, buddy. I'm not looking that far down. Okay, 3640 right here. We got a shitload of supply or resistance, however you want to play it. We got a lot there. So yeah, I would say we are coming in. We are very, very bearish right now, and I will be putting, as this has just broken this high, it's confirmed it, I will be putting a sell on here. So we are now in a sell for gold. So let me see what's happening here, where I want to put this stop loss. I want to put it, my stop loss just there. Let's get rid of these, they're in my way. And let's hope that this continues to be bearish. So we want to see this break this last low over here as well. That's what I want to see. And then the next level of supply or resistance, or however you want to say it, would be around about here. So I'll probably be putting my TP around about here. And then I'd like to put my take profit 1, this area right here. This is where I want to do my take profit 1. So I want to see this continue bearish, please. Still bearish. So let's get rid of this. Okay, we are now in a sell for gold. And let's hope that this continues bearish. Like I said, there's a little bit of there's some buying power here, that's a potential zone we need to look at. So that's why I put my TP1 here, just so I can secure some profits. Well, rat share, I might be wrong, buddy. Today I've only won 6 and lost 2. I've only been streaming for 1 week. So I've been trading for a long time, but I've only been streaming for 1 week. But there's obviously there is a potential buy here if you look at this as well. You know, there is how many touches? Well, this touches 1, 2. So this could be a potential resistance level where this could bounce up to a buy, which I really hope not. As you can see, the price action here with the wicks on the bottom, see there and there, that is a potential buy. So I'm hoping that this will continue bearish and still give us the take profit 1 at least. Today's a really hard market, guys. Why is this not moving? Bear with me, I don't know what's going on here. Come on, let's get this back. Stop messing with me, man. Oh, good. Where are you been? Alright. So we've got to be real careful on this trade. It could be up and down. It could go anywhere, this one. I am a little concerned about it. right now it's still bearish. But like I said, the price action off these candles are scaring me. I don't like them. The reaction is not good. I hope there's enough bears in the market to pull this down, but this is not looking the best, guys. This could have been a wrong signal. No. No. Do not follow my sell trade. Do not follow my sell trade. This was a risky move. It's a risky move. If I lose, I lose. It's okay. Oh, here comes the buyers. So it was very, very risky move, guys. If I get this trade, hey, I got lucky, right? Because look at the price action pushing this up. This tells me that this could be a change, potential change in direction. So do not place this trade. There's a lot of, there might even be news coming in right now. You see the way it's flickering up and down crazy. This price action tells you there's more buyers and sellers in the market, and the price is going to go up. This was a silly, silly, silly move. But there was that break of structure here. I should have waited for it to come back to the bounce. Okay. On here, they'll probably tell me that, as you can see, on the Raikkonen Ashen candles, we have a wick at the top here and a wick at the bottom, and the candle's quite short. That tells me there could be a potential change of direction, so this could potentially be a buy. I might even be more inclined to get out of this trade. I'm going to get out of this trade, guys. Get out of the trade. The price action tells me too much that it's going to be going to a buy. That was my error for not looking and not waiting for too much confirmation. I am sorry. And I'll be placing a quick scalp on a buy. If you wanted to place this trade, you can. This is going to be a buy. Like I said, don't copy me too much, because today is not the best day. Yesterday I was on fire. Today, not so much. And then my stop loss. Stop loss of this next here, and then I want to put my to take my profit here. I just want a quick scalp on this one, guys. I tell you, if this bounces downwards, I'm going to go mad. But I think it will go up. Very quick scalp, this one. Massive stop loss. Bit too much, to be honest with you. I'll probably reduce that stop loss. I want to reduce the stop loss to roughly there. So hard on gold because there's not a lot of highs and lows anymore. but the spread on this was quite bad. I came in the trade ages ago and the spread just went straight up. That's obviously not great. Okay, this is a big stop loss. I wouldn't normally do that, but because of the news, I wanted to give myself just a little bit more kind of breathing room. Hey Maurice, how you doing, buddy? Good to see you back in the room. How's your day going? So as you see in the news today, everything's kind of up and down, up in the air. No one really knows what's going on. Gold hasn't really given us anything today. I've been lucky on a couple of trades. Come on. Look at that price action. Come on, let's go bullish. Damn. Let's go. Go up. Stop going down, mate. You told me 3 times here that you want to go bullish. The Euro USD, let me see. Euro USD. Yeah, we got a quick scalp in that one too. So I put a trade on this one. And this is still bullish. I had a little bit of a hiccup here, but looks like it's back on track and this is bullish, but it's a slow market. So we had a breaker structure here. There's a breaker structure on the 5-minute chart. With the 15-minute chart, to be honest with you, it's still relatively bullish. It's not a great trade. I'd say it's a medium risk trade. It's not a great trade. It's okay. So I wouldn't get overexcited about that one. And what we really want to see is gold to become bullish. We want to keep this candle in place, this doji. And we want to continue to the upside, guys. So come on. Here would be a good idea to do a TP1. Just there, if you wanted to, or you could just wait. But it would be good to do a TP1 here because you've got a bit of resistance here. It may not make it, because like we've seen, there is a transient structure here. Come on, balls, push it. Hey, Rakshit Singh. I'll just call you Singh, man. That's great. I'm glad you got 50. And now you got the 50. Make sure you bring your stop loss to break even. Secure that trade. So this hit the TP1. I would now probably bring my stop loss at the bottom here. There's no point losing if you don't have to lose, right? Come on, baby. Let's hit my TP. Come on, let's bring it. Let's get that all the way up. Don't reject on me now. Come on. Come on, buyers. Get in on this market. Boom. Place some orders. Up, 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 up. Okay, come on. We need some bullish candles here. We're going to be bringing this anyway to stop loss. So either way, come on. So basically we're in a free trade right now. Come on, guys. Come on. A little bit more pushing power. A little bit more pushing power. Let's go. Let's hit that TP. Come on. A bit more for me. Let's get back on track. A little bit more. Come on, baby. Push it up there. Boom, boom. Let me give you a hand. Come on. You've only got a tiny bit to go. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Come on, buyer. Get in there. Take that profit for me. You know you want to. There we go. Come on. You are close, man. You're so close. You've been up there once. Let's do it again. Come on, guys. The spread's quite, I think the spread was quite big on this one for some reason. So, come on guys. Go, 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 go. Go up there again for me. Boom. Take profit. I love it. So, let me know who was in that trade. I love it. So now that is 18. We are at 18, guys. 18 wins. Awesome. Tell me who was in that trade, who got out, and who booked some profit. Boom. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. And let's have a look at the other one we're in. Forex. Good. I'm glad your TP's been hit. Oh, yeah. Did you take on the trade? I said it was a medium trade, medium risk trade. Did you take this trade on, buddy? The euro dollar. We're also going, looks like we're going to be hitting TP as well on this one. We're just waiting here. Come on, let's go. Let's do the same thing again. Bump this up for me, baby. Let's hit that TP. Come on. A little bit more for me. Singh, did you take that? Did you take... I know you're asking me about it. Hey, 150. Well done, my man. For free. Exactly. Let's take this profit. Did you take this trade as well? You asked me about it. Did you take it? I said it was medium risk. Come on. Hit that TP, baby. Bit more of a push. We were nearly there. Let's go. I could definitely bring the stop loss up to break even now. 100%. Come on, baby. Let's push this right up for me. It's a free trade, so I haven't lost this trade either way. But I would like to hit that TP. Oh, you was in this trade, Vath. Has it taken your profit yet? Did you take a partial? I hope you took the partial. I didn't take the partial because I was in that gold trade. So I'll just see if this goes up. Right now it's a free trade for me. I don't really care. If it hits to take profit, badam, lovely jubbly. Yeah, another nice day today, right? So we are at now 7 wins and 2 losses today. Just trying to help there, Singh. Just trying to help, buddy. Hey, you know what? We can all help each other win money, right? Come on, baby. Let's push this up. Hit my take profit. Boom. Here we go. It must be this one. It's got to take it now. It's got to take that now. We're at the TP. There it is. Phew. Bang. Another TP done. Another take profit. So let's... Can't keep up with this, can I? Let's hit this one now. Wow. That's 19 wins, guys. 19 wins and 4 losses in 2 days. That's some good stuff, right? Let's start on back to gold, see what he's telling us. Looks like we took the profit in the right place. So we could be coming down on trend right now. I need to wait for confirmation for this. But we're having a good day again, guys. Today that's 8 wins and 2 losses. Yesterday was 11 wins and 2 losses. Altogether 19 wins and 4 losses in 2 days. I'm pretty happy with that. So I've been streaming only since last Sunday. So if you're new to the channel, welcome, thank you. My name's Elliot. And I want this to be a community kind of hub. I'd like people to talk in the room, share your experiences. Like Maurice there. Maurice has been in there since the start. He's got a lot of wisdom. He's got a lot of wisdom, and great. You know, I want everyone to come into the room to share their experiences. Also, their, you know, help us all trade. Seeing another TP. There it is. I'll tell you what. I'll send you over my bank account number. You can send me some of the profits. Yeah. Just joking, buddy. You make your own profits. I just try and help. Oh, I'll take this away now, because of course we hid that. So we are now at the high. Are we going to go up and break structure again? That's what we need to have a look at. Scalp master, I don't know about that. So we're looking to see what's happening with gold right now, because right now it's a risky trade. We have the New York Open. So let's go on to the 15-minute chart, guys. And this would have been our open and our close. So let's get rid of these now. Let's get rid of these. We will bring this up to here, and then we'll bring this to here. So this is the high and the low of the open for the New York. Now we go back to the 5-minute chart, and we're just going to wait, guys. Just going to see what happens. Just chill. And you could do that on all of your different charts if you wanted to. So we could do it on, let's say, one we just did. We could do exactly the same thing here. So hit a 15-minute chart. So the 15-minute was this one. So there's your high. There's your low. And what we're looking for here is a close above that. So the candle to close above the high or the low. And then some people take the trade straight on that once they see the close candle. Others wait for the retracement back and then take a trade on. Vice versa. But we can keep a track on two of those. Gold's my preferred thing. Okay, so we're potentially looking for, if this closes above here, it means that we're in a bullish market once again. So we need to wait for this candle to close. Sorry, I was on the 15-minute chart. So we need to look at the 5-minute chart. Right, so we know this is a bullish market. Now, some people take this straight up now. They'll take a buy straight off because it's bullish. Yeah, 8 times today, right? So some people will take a trade straight up and they'll take the buy trade. I'm going to be a bit more cautious. Maybe not. I'm going to have a look. Do we take a chance? Do we take the chance and stick it straight on a buy? Or do we wait for the retracement back and then take the buy? How are we feeling, guys? How are we feeling? Straight to a buy? or do we wait for the retracement? You tell me in the chat below whether you want to go straight into a buy or wait for the retracement. I'm at your mercy right now. I'm listening to you. Even though we got a lot of wins under our belts in 2 days, I like to listen to what you guys have to say. I think it's important. 6 heads are better than 1. So what are we doing? Let me know. We obviously know this is now a bullish market. So do we take the trade? Let me know, guys. The first one in, I'll either take the trade or not. If the first one says take the trade, I'll take it. If they say wait, I'll wait. Come on, I want to hear what you got to say. This is all about fun. Don't be shy, guys. Maybe waiting is okay. Don't need to slap the TPs today. Ah, you're telling me to wait? I was hoping you'd say, go for it. Let's get some more TPs in it under our belt, right? What do you think, Varth? Darth Vader? Do we wait? Do we go? Oh, I'm so tempted to go into this trade, guys. I'm so tempted. So tempted. Okay, reckless. But I'm in. I am in. It's a reckless move. So, where are we going to put our TPs? Now, my stop loss under here. And I'll do a 1:5 ratio, I think, with a TP1 around about here. This is a risky trade, guys. You don't have to follow me. Please do not follow me. It's a risky trade. It's a very risky trade. Should I have not gone in? Should I have waited for the retracement back? Oh wow, Maurice is still in. Yeah, exactly. There's no real place for the stop loss. You're still in from yesterday. Wow. Yeah, but you like those long trades, don't you? You do like those long trades. I like the scalping ones. I like making the fast cash. So we've got a bit of retracement going on right now. Let's hope that it's not going to kill me on this trade. See, Singh, I should have maybe listened to you, right? I should have just... Oh, no. I thought you were going to wait, Singh. I thought you was going to wait. Look, we're in drawdown already. But I have confidence. That's the one. No risk, no reward. No risk, no Ferrari. I like that even better. Well, we're definitely growing everyone's account in the last 2 days, right? There was a guy in here yesterday. I don't know if it was one of you guys. That I had tripled his account and the other one I doubled the account. Not me personally. Obviously, I don't make your trades. You're the ones that do the trades. You're just watching me trade. If you want to trade, it's completely up to you. Yeah, it's doing something for us. Creating a structure. Let's hope the structure is for a very bullish move. Because it would be lovely to have another one under our belt. And old Singh has followed me on this one as well. You're waiting for a 15-minute close. Let's have a look. So the 15-minute one looks pretty nice. The 15 one looks pretty nice. I'm liking those two candles. I'm liking those two candles. Let's see if we can hit that TP1, right? Now, right, Singh. We're trying to smash all those TP1s today, and 2s and 3s and 4s, however many TPs you want to have. Come on, baby, don't go red on me. We just want to see green. Green, green, green. Yeah, I should be streaming every day, guys. Because I quite enjoy it. I'm starting to get a bit of a following now, which is great. I've only been streaming for a week, but I think I quite enjoy this. I'm getting to meet different people from all over the world. Today I've got a bit of an earache though. It's doing my head in. I can hear my head, my voice inside of my ear. Fair value gap strategy here. Oh, don't come down. Go back up to where you belong, mate. Oh, we've got a lot of fair value gap here. Hopefully it's not sucking it in. I was seeing you from England. Okay. Oh, it's got a wick on the bottom. I do not like. Oh, look at this drawdown. This is really bad. It could hit the stop loss. Oh, don't say we're going to lose on this one. Come on, it was looking so good at the start, right? Oh, don't go down anymore. Don't hit that stop loss. Singh, you shouldn't have said that, man. We got to stay positive. Hey, listen, I'm the one that's talking. If anyone's outside the door, the HMRC is going to hear me, right? They'll start knocking on my door. Come on, baby, let's get back to bullish stuff. You've been down there long enough. I don't want to see that. Shit, that's not good. I don't like to see a red one. Maybe we should have just taken a bit of profit when we had it. It would have been so minute though, wouldn't it? It wouldn't have been worth talking about. Come on, baby, let's bounce back up. Let's bounce back up. We don't like to be in drawdown. I was in one trade today. It was in drawdown for like 2 hours. It came back up and smashed both take one and take two profit, which was amazing. Exactly, it was a risky trade. Actually, I did say don't take this trade. I think, if I recall. But like you said, no risk, no Ferrari. Anyway, we should be well up today. 87.85. Come on, let's go even more. Let's go even more. Keep it coming, baby. Keep it coming. Yeah, I'm probably going to try and work on my YouTube channel. Try and grow it, more subscribers. And then I'll think about getting like a Telegraph account or something. And then when I'm kind of on the road, I can give you guys signals. I can do videos from there. So, because I quite enjoy it. So, why not? Because I'm semi-retired anyway. You know, I don't work in an office. I do trading full time. So I've got lots of time. And I love it. I love the thrill. I love the suspense. So if I got a Telegraph channel, would you guys like to subscribe or something? Oh, I need some more vape juice. Well done, Singh. So, Singh, were you here yesterday then with us? Ah, I think you changed your name. You were called K Shit, weren't you? Yesterday, I think. Is that right? It's good you changed your name. Come on, baby, let's bounce it up now. We've seen that horrible red candle. So let's continue with the green. This is what we want to see. You first. First for what, buddy? First for what? I hope you guys have all liked the channel as well, because I think with the algorithms, I think that actually helps YouTube see my video and like promote it up there, because obviously I've only been streaming for 1 week, so it'd be good to get some likes in there. Well, there's 4 people that, you know. Yes, I changed my mind. Yeah, I think probably it's a better name, because when you first came on, I looked at it, I was like, K shit, okay, having a bad day. Then I'll tell you what, you probably were having a bad day yesterday when you first came online. What did we win? 11 yesterday. You won 11 trades with me yesterday, and you thought, it's not so shit after all, I'm going to change my name to a normal name. Ah, for Telegram. Okay. Yeah, I'll probably look into that, how you do it and stuff like this. Before I was just trading for me, but it got quite boring, so I figured, you know what? I love people. Why not make a YouTube channel? So Vath, are you in a trade right now as well? I know that Singh's in a trade. He's been in every trade I'm in, even the USD one. I don't even know how you got in that so quick. I mean, I just quickly did that very, very fast. You must be like beady eyes watching. Ah, come on, guys. Let's see this bounce. Let's see this go up. Let's see this become bullish. And give us our TP1 and TP2, please. This is what we want to see. Okay, you're in a trade with me, but low lots. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. And Vaf's in a trade with me. Okay. Well, the good thing is if we win together. If we lose, we'll also lose together. So that's a good thing. So let me know in the chat how long you guys have been trading for. I've been trading full time, like 12 hours, 14 hours a day for about 2 years. But I've been trading before that, losing quite a lot. Yesterday I was the shit, but today I am the shit. Yesterday you... Wait, I thought you were here yesterday. You didn't follow the 11 trades we won? And only lost 2? If you'd have been here yesterday with us, you'd have won 11 trades and lost 2. And then you'd be worried about the HMRC. Okay, come on, let's start this bullish motion, please. Let's start going up. Up, up, up and away. Just like Superman. Let's hit the TP1 and TP2, please. That's all we ask. That's all we ask. So if we've got any new people to the chat, please come and introduce yourself. Please come and say hello. We're all friendly here. We don't bite. We just make money. It's starting to be a bit of a family in here. Wow, 15 years. Man, I should be copying you. Where's your YouTube channel? You should be telling me which trades to take. You've been trading longer than me. But I'm a workaholic. I work night and day. I did so much studying. I also did I did masterclasses. I've done the whole shebang to learn how to trade. And I guess I'm not doing too bad. And just since yesterday, 19 wins and 4 losses. I'd say that's quite good. And those losses were stupid losses. One of those losses today were on the news. I took on a stupid sell trade, put my stop loss too narrow, lost the trade. If I'd had a bigger stop loss, I would have won the trade. Hey, what a nice thing to say. Thank you, Sing. I appreciate that. Yeah, I think, well, yesterday we made some money. Today we made some money. But today's a slower day, right? Yesterday was easier. I mean, the calls I had yesterday, I was spot on. I had some massive sniper entries. Right at the very bottom to the very top. Some beautiful entries. Today's been a bit more up and down kind of thing. It's not the best trades, a bit shitty ones. So like this one was a bad trade to enter. But we'll see what happens. We are still above the height from the New York Open. And as you can see, it kind of does respect this line. We've got the 50 and the 200 EMA right here. It's somewhat respecting that as well. So I'm hoping we'll get some liquidity in there. It will bounce up. Let's have a look at my other major, because I always kind of like the biggest major, which is the Euro USD. Okay. Obviously it's still bullish. I'd like to see a retracement. It did touch this line though. 3 candles. No. Oh, that was the high of the day, wasn't it? Shit, what did I get rid of that line for? Hang on. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm just looking. Just trying to analyze the chart a little bit. Alright, that's not ready yet. Ooh. It's gone back into drawdown. Bloody hell. I think it's getting ready. It's getting ready. We've got to see a big lift in this. Yeah, I mean, look, if you wanted me to, I could be drawing lines. I could do all that crap as well. Sometimes I draw these lines. I draw those lines. Like, for instance, like the trend lines in there. And say, okay, look, it's broken through the trend line. You know, I could do all of that as well. I learnt all the trend lines. But I look at the market. I look at price action. I look at support and resistance. I look at where the zone is. I look at the high and lows of the day. And I take all of that into my head. Everything's always working. And so I analyze it by looking. Not by looking at indicators, because indicators, yeah, they can work to a certain degree. But there's a few tools I do use, but not many, no. But the minute you said I do win, we start getting red candles. So they shouldn't say that too much. Oh, there's a green one. Come on, baby. Let's see this pop up. Oh, we want to see some bullish candles. This is what happened a while ago. I think one of my other trades today. It just sat and sat and sat and sat. And it's so boring just waiting. That's when I kind of look at other ones to go into to trade potentially. 87, 85. 87.85. The one thing I do see here is that we've got the 200 EMA. But when I did go into this trade, I did say don't go into trade. It's a risky one. Definitely a risky trade to be in. This is kind of enter at your own risk. Yeah. On this one here, I am waiting for a retracement back, and then I'll probably take a buy on here. I wouldn't take a buy just yet. Yeah. Go crying. That's fine. You can cry. But we might still, let's have a look. I'm not watching it. Ooh, not good, not good. We need this to pop back up. Look, there's a potential change in direction. I'm hoping this will continue on the bullish side though. The reason why I say that is because there's a change in structure right here telling us that it's bullish, it's bearish. But then we had this bullish move and it's infringing on the last high. So we need to break this last high. If we break this last high, then we're going sailing. That's why I said it's a risky trade, because it could very, very easily come down and go right through here. I think that's why Maurice was saying about the 87-85 area, because it could potentially hammer down straight down here, because we have had a change in structure. But we just wait and see. Because the high and low of the New York Open, it closed above this line, so generally it'll bounce then come up. But as we have a change in structure, it's, to be honest with you, it's anyone's game. So really have to just sit and wait. We either win or lose. I mean, that's simple, right? But we really can't complain. We've had a killer day yesterday and a killer day today. You gotta love it, right? If you don't risk, you don't win, you don't lose. You know, you can look for the perfect setup. We had a couple yesterday, but they don't come around that often. So sometimes you just got to enter and just hope for the best, really. Oh yeah, we only had 2 losses today. Yeah, exactly. So I really, really need it to get above the 37 and close. If it gets above that and closes, we are laughing. If it stays below, the chance of it going down are probably quite high. So we just have to be patient, I guess, and just wait it out, guys. I'd love to get some big fat wins right now. Ooh, that candle's really shit. Like I said to you, I didn't want that. I know it's a break of structure and it's a, you know, obviously it's a bullish bearish trend right now. Really hoping the bulls would come back, make another all-time high. Just really, really hoping that. But the bears are in control right now, which is not a great thing to see. But there's still a possibility that the bulls can get it back. I still think they're quite strong, the bulls. you know why I started this stream as well? One, I got kind of lonely trading by myself. Secondly, I was watching Larito, I think his name is. I was watching him trade, and he's not a bad trader. He's very, very cautious. But I thought, you know what? I've got a pretty good personality. I love to talk. I never shut up. So he doesn't talk very much. He just said a few words, mumbling words here and there. So I thought, you know what? If I get online, maybe I could have a bit of a giggle, a bit of a laugh, meet some people all over the world, make their day, make them a bit of money. And that's why I got online, because I think I can really grow this channel. With your help, guys, with your help. So if you can, you know, potentially like my video, recommend me, that'd be awesome. Help me grow. I'm not asking for any money. Don't want your money, I got my own. Yeah. Yeah. What the fuck is that? Hey. Huh. Yeah, you're right. You are very right, Maurice. The 15-minute chart, they are still bearish. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. I never looked at that one. I looked at the hour, bullish. Yeah. The 30-minute chart, they're still bullish. So it's really from the 15-minute chart, we're at a breaking structure. The breaking structure, right there. And the 5-minute. But on the longer time frame, the larger time frame, yeah, they are still bullish. So I'm really hoping that they'll hit that high, because I generally work on the 5-minute. I really hope they hit this high, they go above this high and they close this candle. Let me draw a line here. So we want this line to be broken. Let's put it in blue. No. Put it in pink. So we want this to come up here, close above this pink line. If it does, get ready. And if it does, I may even put another buy on. I might scale in. I think I probably would scale in, to be honest with you, if it closes above there. Not when it touches there, it has to close above the line, yeah? To show me that it's a proper all-time high. Come on, baby, let's push it. Let's push it up. Let's push it up. We love it when it's hitting that TPs, don't we? See, the market gets so much slower, doesn't it, during the afternoon? It's so much quicker during the morning. Come on, baby. Let's kick it up there. Yeah. Let's get to that pink line, baby. Come on now. That's a lovely push. That's what we're looking for. That is what we're looking for. We want to stay in control. What's really cool is that, hey, can you guys hear my microphone okay? Because someone had a problem with the mic yesterday. So please let me know in the chat if you can hear my mic clearly and if it's loud enough. I've got it on full volume. Come on, greens. Let's get in there, bulls. We're trying. We're trying. That's it, baby. Come on. Let's get above that pink line. Let's see it happen. Go, 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 go. It's just toying with us right now. Thanks, Singh. Appreciate that. Ah, okay. Yeah, I wonder if he did win. He normally only does like one trade, maybe two. I mean, geez, I did what? How many I did yesterday? I had 11 wins. I did 13 trades yesterday. And today we've done so far 8, 10. So we've done 10 trades already today. I like making money. Making money's great. It makes the wife happy, right? Come on, baby. Let's see you hit. Let's get above that pink. Let's get above that pink line. Show me the money. Here we go. Here we go. Like I said, if it closes above that pink, guess what I'm doing? Scaling in. Come on, baby. Up you go. Let's close above that pink line. Let's get that new all-time high. Come on, baby. Push it hard. You know you want to get up there. Here it is. There it is. There it is. Oh, it's exciting stuff. It's exciting, right? Don't fall on me now. Let's continue to rise up. And we have become bullish. That's a lovely sign. It's 2 in a row. Is that closed above? I don't even think it's closed. It's not closed above the pink line. Look at that. It's just below. We need the close above the pink line. Baby, come on. We're pink, but we're not closed over pink. Yeah. Well, let's hope it closes above that pink line, right? Come on, push. We got another 4 more minutes. I want to see that close above the pink line because I think it will shoot. Come on, baby. It's above it now, but we need the close above it. It's just toying with the idea. It's playing with us, man. It's taking off. It's taking off. It's taking off. What did I tell you? After that high. After that all-time high, right? Come on, baby. Let's see some action here. Let's continue to work it. I'd love to see that hit the TP1. Come on, baby. Up you go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. But we need that close. So, we have 2 more minutes. We need that close. There it is. I did say once it hit that all-time high, I said to you when it hit that pink line, we're going to see a shooting star all the way up. And boom, I called that. Let's see if we can close this. You got 2 more minutes, or nearly just a minute to close this candle. Keep it up there, guys. Push it up to my TP1, please. That's quite a big TP1, right? I could have had a TP1 here if I wanted to. Just so I got 20 wins. I could have done a TP1 here, but let's push it to the top. This TP1 is high, right? But I think we can get there. I think we can get there, guys. Come on, baby. Let's push this even higher. Don't start falling down on me. We want to see you go up, up, up. See, we're liking these 2 candles here, right? We want to see some more green candles. So the last minute now, I want to see the close above this pink. Let's just continue here. Let's close above. Let's hit the TP1, please. Oh, we didn't want to see the red coming straight down after it. That's shit. It did close though. It closed. But it came sailing down. Still bullish. Still bullish. Right back to the all-time high. Let's continue with this bullish behavior, please. Go back up where you need to. Go back up. Come on, baby. Let's hit that TP. I knew that TP was too optimistic at the start. That should have been. That's normally like a TP2. TP1's normally way further down. Because then I could have hit this at break even right now. I think I will adjust my stop loss though. Doesn't need to be down that down far, does it? Let's hit this stop loss up to there now. I think we're going to adjust it to here. Because if this does tank, we won't lose as much. Come on, baby, let's go higher. We do not want this sell. That's right. Set it and let it run. New York is slower than London. We're still bullish. That's all we need to look at. We are still bullish. So hopefully we're just going to be grabbing liquidity here and then continuing up. That's what I really hope this is going to do, to hit the TP1, then crack onto the TP2. Come on, baby. Let's not go down too far, please. This could be a liquidity grab. I'm hoping. So let's see if we can continue going upwards. Come on, baby, up you go. It was doing so well. Don't be standing around there. Let's continue to go bullish for me, please. We have a couple of wicks on the bottom. It's not what we want to see, is it? We need this to turn around and go back the other way. Well, I've called him so far today, right? How many wins today? 8 wins and 2 losses today. Yesterday was 11 wins and 2 losses. So we need this to hit TP1. I want to continue with this little streak of ours. It's pretty good. What I like, it's not like football. You know, football you got one team against the other. So you've got some people rooting for one team, other people rooting for the other team. This time we're all rooting for the same team. And right now it's the Bulls. So, if Michael Jordan was playing, which he used to play for the Bulls, they'd be winning right now, right? Let's go, baby. Let's start back up. Let's start it back up. The engines are starting. I can hear them. The engines are roaring. They're waiting. They're on the starter's line. They're ready. The yellow flag. The green flag is off. Boom. Oh. Going the wrong way. They're going in reverse and not forwards. Come on, don't toy with us, boy. Up you go. Up you go. It's just toying with us right now, yeah? Potential change in direction, maybe. We really don't want that. We were doing so well. It was doing so well. Come on, Singh. We've got to give it some rooting here. Root for the blue, for the greens. Come on. Go back up. You have no business down there. We want to continue this winning streak, right? It's great for the bank balance. I do think we're going to see a big boost here in a minute, though. Hey, if you guys are new to the chat, please come in and say hi. We're a big community here. Well, not big, but we're getting there. I've only been live stream for 1 week now, but I'm going to continue doing this, I think, because it's fun. I get to meet new people, different people from all over the world. And yesterday I helped a few people have a bit more money in their pocket, which was cool. I think today I've helped a few people too, maybe. I don't know. No, we don't want that rubbish. Come on, come back. Come back up. Shit. This is not good. Hello, Jahongi. How you doing, buddy? I think you were here in the chat before. Yeah, let's hope this higher low is not going to be too low, because I do not want to be taken out of this trade because I believe it's going to go up. That's a massive candle. That's a scary looking candle. Don't go down any further. I hate it when it gets close to the stop loss. The heart starts to go do, 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 do. We don't want to lose this trade, do we? Come on, baby. Let's bounce right back up to the top again for me. Let's bounce all the way to the top. There must be some limit buyers there. There must be. We're just banking on these big hedge funds and bankers to put in a limit buy. Go up. Shit. Look at the size of that candle. Fuck, we're out. Oh. Oh, shit. This stop loss needs to be back to where it bloody was, right? But I'm going to put that stop loss back to where he was, because this is too damn scary, and I know this is going back up. I know we're going to hit some more all-time highs. Don't go down any further. You've got to bounce back up now. Come on, you've got too many people waiting on this trade. Don't fuck with us. Come on. Come on, baby. You're dancing right now. Let's do the tango and go up to the top for me. That's a humongous candle. Let's fill that candle. Let's fill that fair value gap. Come on. I hate sitting on the edge here. Waiting. It's like destiny. It's kind of like when you're on death row, isn't it? And you're waiting and waiting. I guess not as bad, but... Alright, come on, you've had enough down there now. Let's go. Let's get up. Let's go, man, come on. Just toying with us and shit. That's real bad. This will be a bad loss, actually. Oh, Larito, like you were saying, is live now. I watched him a few times. But I don't think he's got 19 wins and 4 losses in 2 days. Shit, here we go. It's going to hit me again. It's going to put it out. It's going to put it out. Don't push us out. It's lucky you got low lots on this, Insane. You said you got a low lot, which is great. I'm glad. Oh, that's it. I'm out. Fuck. That is a horrible loss. Well, we got to change this, I guess. Because today was shit. 5. Oh, God. 5 losses, man. In 2 days, 5 losses and 19 wins. I guess it's not too bad. Good that I booked the profit around TP1. Did you? Well done, man. Well done. You hit it there. I told you I should have had a TP1 here, didn't I? I said that. So I end up, because I would have then brought that to stop loss, break even. We would have won that trade. Could have, would have, should have, right? Fuck me. That's not a good trade. Yeah, I did move the stop loss because I had a feeling it was going to bounce from this area here. But I was wrong. I don't normally move the stop loss. Sometimes I do. Depends how I feel. But we lost that trade, guys. We lost that bloody trade. Still doing really, really well. Better than most, I think. And also the thing about it is, we have fun in the room. There's some cool people here. We're getting to know each other, yeah? I mean, I've only been live streaming, you know, for a week. Just over a week. Last Sunday is when I first started live trading, streaming on here. Had to figure it all out, how to work it out, to apply for the YouTube thingamajig. And then since I've been doing live trading, this week, we've done really, really well, which is fantastic. Black Sky and his bloody Bitcoin. I think he only trades Bitcoin, but I generally trade gold. So Bitcoin, Maurice, I know you like Bitcoin. You were telling him yesterday kind of how to do or what to do. I'll be taking on a risky trade in a minute because I need this to come. This is coming back up. I want to get in on this action as soon as it does. As soon as it does, guys. But I'm so glad you booked the profit on the TP down here, saying I'm so glad you did, buddy. Haha. Yeah, I had my barber come around yesterday. Give me a bit of a haircut. So this is obviously a nice candle coming up now, and it's whether I take the trade or just wait for a minute. We look on the 1 minute chart. I'm going in. I've got to get this loss back. So I took that on the 1 minute, went in on the 1 minute, which I don't generally do. And then we're going to, that's at all times, so I can get rid of this. Take a TP. I'm going to take a TP1 here. to take our TP1 here, and then we'll take our TP2 here. Let's hope this pushes. Let's hope this pushes. Come on, we got a massive fair value gap here. Let's push this hard, please. We want to try and win that loss back. Come on, baby, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's start moving. Let's suck into this fair value gap. Suck it all in. It's got to balance out. It's got to balance the market, hasn't it? We have to balance the market, so it's got to be filled. So we're just above the high of the New York session. Come on, baby, let's push this up. Let's push this up, baby. I want to see this hit the TP1. We lost the last trade, which I hate. I want to win this trade. We've done fantastic yesterday and today. I want to still see this keep going. I want to hit that 20 wins, man. Hey, the people in the room, if you can, please like the video and subscribe. It would definitely help my channel. Then I'll be able to be more visible on YouTube if you subscribe and like it. My ear is killing me today. Come on, let's not toy with us. Let's go up. Who's in a buy right now? Who's in a buy? It was definitely an attractive buy. Come on, we don't want to see drawdown again. We were doing so well earlier. Singh, did you enter in on a buy? Oh, come on. Let's go up. Let's be bullish now. What is going on? These trades are just going against me. The last two. I'm losing my voice from talking so much. Oh, come on. Let's turn back the other way, please. Bloody hell. Yeah, exactly. I wish I was a hedge fund right now. I'd put a buy on Bush. Come on. Let's get back up there. This has got to balance the market out. It has to hit that fair value gap and go up. Come on, baby. Let's go. We need this to go up. Who's with me in this trade? Come on. Don't let me be alone. That's a tight stop loss as well I've got. I just didn't want to... I mean, normally I'd have a stop loss here. My stop loss is normally at the last low, which would be here. So my stop loss is a little bit too tight, so it may stop me out. Just hoping not. I'm just hoping not. You re-entered too before I said. Cool. But hopefully it doesn't stop us both out, right? But I'm glad you took the profit on the last one. I should have done. I even said it, didn't I? I even said it. I would have kept my streak alive, right? Alright, so what is going on? This needs to go the other way. It needs to be bullish. Please be bullish. Up, up, up. Stop pissing me off now. Today's not been a great day. Even though we won a few, I think some of my trades I won, I had smaller lot sizes. Come on, don't go down. Let's get bullish. The bad thing is my stop loss is here, right? I mean, I could always move it. But I hate moving my stop loss, man. Every time I do it, it always stops me out. Fuck, it's going to stop me out again. I know this is going up. I know it's going to be bullish. That's the bad thing. Fuck. That's bad, man. I might stop trading soon. Six losses now. Damn it. So today I've had 4 losses and 8 wins. Still 50%, but you know this is going up. If that stop loss was below here, which I should have moved it, because we broke the we broke the last higher high as well. So I probably entered too fast on that one. I entered on this candle here. I never waited for a second confirmation or a second candle. Should have moved my stop loss down. Yeah, the delay must be terrible, saying. I mean, this is a beautiful trade to be in, man. Haha. I know, I said the same thing to move the stop loss down, but I did it on the last one. It stopped me out. I don't want to do it again. So I need to just get back to my strategy. I know this is going to move up, but wait for it. I didn't want to miss any moves. I mean, right now, let's have a look at this. Right here, we have an area, a potential area. So let's map this out. So this here is a potential area of supply. So it's already touched into this box here and it's bounced straight up. So this is telling me that there's a lot of buyers in this area. That's the only thing we have to work off because it had the all-time high. So yes, it did bounce off here. So to me, this is a beautiful in, 100%. So this is definitely a good area of demand with a nice, straight away, a nice green candle going up. I'm liking what I see, but I did like it on the other one too. Just got unlucky, I think. This is the 1 minute candle, so it's bounced off here. I'd like to see a bit more confirmation. I'd like to see definitely if this is still going to bounce off this. Yeah, this is a difficult one. I guess I'm just a bit scared. Normally I just plow on in. Normally I just get in, but the last two trades I've lost, and so I'm a bit more weary about getting in on this trade. Which I'm glad I did wait. I'm glad I did wait. Yeah, so it's still bearish. So to be honest with you, I'm kind of glad that I didn't move my stop loss. I just want to see what happens right here.
Thank God.
So I want to wait and see what happens here. It's definitely having a reaction off this area here. So you moved your stop loss, which every time I do that, it always kind of bites me in the arse. Yeah, I do use it sometimes, but like today and yesterday, they were quite clean entry on the five minute. I use all of the time frames actually. I use 4 hours to give you the direction. I give 1 hour to see if there's any touches on the 20 EMA, and then I look at the 5 minutes to see where the zones are. Sometimes a 1 minute for entry, sometimes. Like for instance now, I did earlier use the 1 minute. So for the 1 minute now, I mean, I'm really close to getting into this trade anyway. I was before. Because now it's out of this zone. I'm close. I'm very close to getting into this. I'm very, very close. Extremely, but I'm not there yet. I'm not quite there. Yeah, I know. I've lost a bit today, but that's okay. See, I'm still waiting for this because it's still in and out. It's not totally bullish yet. That's why I'm kind of waiting a little bit. And if I was to do this, I'd be putting my first TP about here. And then probably the TP2 up here. Once I get into this trade, I'm not in the trade yet, guys. As you can see, I'm not in the trade. Because you can see this zone is maybe a bit too high. It's probably about there, isn't it? About there. So as you can see, guys, we're still messing around in the zone. Now, this is a buy area. Do we take it at the bottom? Do we take this? Do we take it? Do we take it? The next area of defense will be... Jeez. God, my stop loss would have to be bloody huge. if that was well, from there the stop loss isn't too bad. We are not in the trade yet, guys. We are not in the trade yet. God, there's definitely an area of demand, man. But it's still falling, so I'm not in any rush yet. If that comes down again, I think I'm going to enter. I'll wait for this next candle just to see how this candle is, but it's still very, very bearish. So I am getting ready to enter. You see, I'm a little bit more hesitant on this one because I lost the trades, but I think I'm going to jump in. I think I'm going to jump in. Let's see. Let's see what happens here, guys. Right, I'd love to see this now green. Otherwise, if I lose this trade today on this one here, I will stop the stream. Yesterday we were on such a good roll that I continued it. Today was not the best day, so I'm hoping for a change around in luck. We've lost the last two trades, so I'm hoping to get a win on this one. We'll see what happens. and shoulders. Yeah. Yeah, potentially it could be. Could be head and shoulders forming. Oh, come on. This is doing my nutting, guys. Drawdown. I was hoping to bounce straight back into profit. Oh my god, this is really bad. Like I said, if I lose this one, guys, I'm going to come off stream and take a little bit of a break. Because sometimes you can overtrade or try and get back the losses, which maybe is what I'm trying to do here. So this is plummeting down. This is not what I thought was going to happen. Now we got no other area of defense. It's here. That's the next area of defense. Maybe here. Very small. But yeah, looks like it's probably going to come down and take me out. Because the next area of defense would be here, but I'm not moving my stop loss down. I will take the fall. Shit, man. Yep, this will definitely hit the stop loss because it's going to come down here or even further from here. This is not doing great. So I will take a little break because that'll be 3. If I lose this one, that'll be 3 in a row. Which tells me that I'll need to take a little breather, go around, go for a walk or something, clear my head. This is a scary one, this one. But it's pretty much going to come down and take that stop loss because there's no defense there. It's bouncing from something, but I don't know what's going on. It's so hard today with gold. Yesterday we had clear structure. Today there was nothing. Today was choppy. I should not have really traded. And again today we still had, what, 8 wins? 8 wins, 4 losses right now. 8 wins and 4 losses. So 8 wins, if we lose this, 8 wins and 5 losses, that's, to me, that's not good. You'd still be in profit with that, which I am, but still is not good. If I have a break-even day, that's cool as well, you know. Today I was massively up. Lalit, good to see you, buddy. Thanks for joining us. Go ahead, subscribe because it's a new channel, and we're doing well, but the last few trades have kind of gone against us, which is a bit shit, but it happens, right? There's my stop loss. I knew it was going to hit it. There was no area of defense, so that was terrible. And what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to come off air for a minute. I'm going to take a short break, clear my head a little bit, and I'll probably come back to the charts a bit later. But I just want to clear my head. because 3 losses in a row is not nice. It makes me feel a bit shit. 7 now. So I don't like that too much, and